Hello friends. Today is today I start the chapter The Ashes That Made Trees Bloom. Today I do question and answer and exercise of the ashes that made trees bloom. So start our class. First question is, why did the neighbor kill the dog? So answer is, the neighbor killed the dog in anger. They have expected the dog to help them get a treasure, but the dog had rather taken him them to a foul smelling dead kitten. So second question is, mark the right them. First, the old farmer and his wife loved the dog. A option, because it helped them in their day to day work. Option B, as if it was their own baby. Option C is, as they were kind to all living beings. So, second question is, when the old couple become rich, they. Option A is, gave the dog better food. B option is, invite their greedy neighbors to a feast. Question option C, lived comfortably and were generous towards their poor neighbors. So answer is, lived comfortably and were generous towards their poor neighbors. So third is, the greedy couple borrowed the mill and mortar to make. Option A is rice, pastry, and bean sauce. Magic. Option B is magic as to win rewards. Option C is a pile of gold. So answer is a pile of gold. So come to working with the text. So question 1 is, the old farmer is a kind person. What evidence of his kindness do you find in first two paragraph? So answer is, the old farmer was a kind person. It is evident from the way he loved his dog as his own baby. He fed it with fish with his own chopsticks and all the boiled rice it wanted. So second question is, what did the dog do that lead the farmers to the hiding gold? So answer is, the dog took the old man to a place and began starching it. The old man thought there might be a buried bone or bit of fish. Thus stuck his hoe in the earth and found the hidden gold. So, question third, first part is, how did the spirit of the dog help the farmer first? So, answer is, the spirit of the dog first appeared in the old man's dream. It urged him to cut down the pine tree, make a mortar for the rice pastry, and a hand mill for his bean sauce. So second part is, how did it help him next? So answer is, the spirit again come in the farmer's dream for the second time and told the farmer to collect the ash of the mortar and the milk and sprinkle it on the withered trees and they will blossom. So come to third question. Third question is, why did the daimyo rewarded the farmer but punished his neighbor for the same act? So answer is, the daimyo rewarded the farmer but punished his neighbor for the same act because the farmer had sprinkled the magic ashes on a withered cherry tree and had made it bloom again, while the neighbor had made everyone sneeze and choke, spoiling the pomp and dignity of the procession. So, come to working with the language. So, working with the language, first question is read the following paragraph and make questions. So, read it. Anil is in school. I am in school too. Anil is sitting in the left row. He is reading a book. Anil's friend is sitting in the second row. He is sharpening his pencil. The teacher is writing on the blackboard. Children are waiting in their copybooks. Some children are looking out of the window. So, answer is first, where is Anil? Second, where is Anil sitting? Third, what is he doing? Fourth, where is Anil's friend sitting? Fifth, what is his friend doing? Sixth, who is writing on the blackboard? Seventh, what are some children doing? So come to the second question. Write the appropriate question words in the blank spaces in the following dialogue. So Neha, when did you get his book? So इसमें question क्या है when? So Sheila tell yesterday morning. So Neha tell why is your sister crying? So in this the question is why. Sheila tell because she has lost her doll. Neha tell who room is this, your or hers? So in this line question is who. Sheila tell it's ours. So Neha tell how do you go to school? So in this line question is how. Sheila tell we walk to school. It is nearby. So come to third question. Fill in the blanks with the words given. How, what, when, where, which. So question is my friend lost his chemistry book. Now he does not dash to do and dash to look for it. So answer is what and where. The second is there are so many toys in the shops. Nina can't decide dash one to buy. So answer is which. Third is you don't know the way to my school. Ask the policeman dash to get there. So answer is how. You should decide soon when dash to start building your house. So answer is when. Do you know dash to ride a bicycle? I don't remember dash and dash. I learned it. So answer is how to ride a bicycle and remember when and where. So come to sixth part. You should know dash to talk and dash to keep your mouth shut. The teacher advised Anil. So answer is where and when. So fourth question is are you fond of reading stories? Did you read one last month? If not one or two, then write a paragraph about the story. Use the following hints. So first is title of the story. So title of answer. So title of the story is The Mystery of the Hunt Cottage. So second is name the author. The author is Ahmed Blyton. Third is how many characters in answer is 8 characters. Which one you kill liked? So answer is Daisy. Some details of the story. So answer is in this story in the cottage burns are firstly Daisy thought it is someone's house, but at the end he solved the mystery that it is actually a cottage. So come to fourth question. Add im or in to each of the following words and use them in place of the italicized words in the sentences given below. Options patience, proper, possible, sensitive, competent. So, first is the project appears very difficult at first sight, but it can be completed if we work very hard. So, answer is impossible. The lacks competence. That's why he can't keep any job for more than a year. So answer is incompetence. Third, don't lose patience. Your letter will come to one day, the policeman told me. So answer is impatience. Fourth is that's not a proper remark to make under the circumstances. So answer is improper. For fifth is he appears to be without sensitively. In fact, he is very emotional. So answer is insensitive. Fifth question is read the following sentences. It was a cold morning and stars still glowed in the sky. An old man was walking along the road. The words italicized are articles a and an are indefinite articles, and the is the definite article. A is used for before a singular countable noun and is used before a word that begins with a vowel. So a boy, an actor, a mango, an apple, a university, an hour. Question. Use a, an, or the in the blanks. There was a once dash means a play which became very successful. A famous actor was acting in it. In the play, his role was that of an aristocrat who had been imprisoned in the castle for 20 years. In the last act of the play, someone could come on the stage with a letter which he would hand over to the prisoner. Was not expected to read the letter at each performance. He always insisted that the letter be written out from beginning to end. So sixth question is encircle the correct article. A. Would you like a and the? So answer is an, or A. An apple, or A. And the answer a banana. So I had like an apple, please. A says take the red in the fruit bowl. B says which one? A says the one beside the bananas. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. अगर अगर वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. आप अगर लाइक करेंगे तो मेरा मोटिव और बढ़ेगा. थैंक यू. प्लीज़ लाइक एंड शेयर. सो बाय.